Hello everyone, this is Signup from Western Institute of Technology. Welcome to my YouTube channel. Today in this video we are going to build a basic server containing sign up and login functionality using Express.js and Firestore database. For this, first we have to install the packages we need to do this project. For installing those npm packages, we have to go to command prompt, and in command prompt we have to type npm install space express. So then it installs our packages like this, and we require another package called firebase-admin, so we have to install that package also. So like this, I have installed both the packages that are need to run my basic server. For connecting or sign up and login pages with the Firestore database, we have to generate a new API key and save that file in k.json. So this is my code I have written to implement a basic login and sign up functionality server. So I have created routes like sign up, login submit, and sign up submit. So when I go to the sign up route and give the details like full name, email and password, the submission of my sign up page leads to collection of the details given by the user into Firestore database and gives the message signed up successfully, you can now log in, and also gives an internal link to the login page here in the sign up submit form. So let's check how my server is functioning. To make our server work, we have to go to command prompt and type node space server.js. By signing up our form, it will open a new window saying signed up successfully. You can now log in here by clicking on log on. By clicking on log on here, it leads to our login page, and by logging with the same details given here in the sign up form and pressing the button login, so it shows logged in successfully. It also stores our given information in the Firestore database like this, in the sign up details. See, my given information such as email ID, my full name and the password I have given in the sign up form stored here in our Firestore database. So this is my basic project I have done using Express.js and Firestore database on the basic sign up and login functionality. Thank you for watching.